y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video, it's Fashom number, I have no idea. I know I should know, but I believe it's number 6 or 7. I've really been liking Fashom. The last couple boxes, I had a woman, hopefully she doesn't care that I say her name, named Connie, who watches my videos, and she had written me and said, hey, all the things that were in your box, I found them cheaper elsewhere. And she was able to do that, I believe, with the last 2 boxes, maybe the last 3 boxes. So her and I kind of had a deal. For this box, I said, hey, when it ships and I know what's in it, I'm going to send you a screenshot if I can't find anything online and see if you can find it cheaper, because I don't want y'all to pay full price for things. I don't want to pay full price for things, especially if you can get it for a quarter of the price or something at like TJ Maxx or Nordstrom Rack or something. So this box shipped. I sent her the screenshots because I couldn't find anything online, any of these pieces online for cheaper. Same thing for her. She couldn't find anything. So just so you know, these things are exclusive to this box. I could not find them online anywhere else. My stylist this month is Malls, M-O-L-L-S. My stylist the last couple of months has been Susie Q. Yes, Susie Q. So this is the first time that I've gotten something else. This is my like little invoice paper. I'm covering my name and address on there. All right, so what I'm seeing right off the bat is that in support of breast cancer awareness, if you use my link, I'll post it in the description box down below, you can get a $20 credit on your account. Huh. Okay, and if you don't know Fashom, the first couple boxes, there's no styling fee after that. I believe it's 10 or 15 bucks. If you've been watching my Fashom videos, then you know that Fashom is a little more affordable. So I definitely think it's worth it to try it, especially if you can get your first couple styles free and then you get this like $20 credit. Let's get into it. First thing I want to talk about, the only pair of bottoms that I have, cut from the Kloth jeans. Okay, we know I love cut from the Kloth. These are in a size 20. I wonder if it has the style. It says it's all about the pockets. It doesn't have like a style. Oh, it does. Diana Fab Ab Skinny. There we go. That's the style of the pants. They're this like medium wash, a little different than what I'm used to. Super high-waisted. I mean, these come like inches above my belly button. The only thing about these, the length is fine, the color is fine, but the waistband is like smaller, which I understand because it's higher, so it fits higher on your waist, but it's a little bit too snug. It does have a little bit of stretch in it, but not enough for me to feel comfortable wearing these. I mean, they're so tight at my waist. Also, the front like crotch area had extra fabric, which was a little strange to me. The back, like on my backside, looked phenomenal. Loved it. But then when you turn around, you almost got this weird effect because it had extra fabric, and I didn't even really notice it until like I was trying these on and Brian was like, what is that in the front? And when I looked, I was like, okay. I understand the concept of like having some extra fabric to fill out because we are plus size, but I didn't fill out that part, so it was just kind of like very strange. The ankles are not super, super skinny, but they're not flared or bootleg or anything like that. I like the color, like I said, but that waistband was just, it was just too much for me. So these cut from the Kloth are $89. We know cut from the Kloth jeans are a little pricey, but I own 2 or 3 pairs and I really like them, but these are not going to be one of those. Everything else that came in the box was this Skies Are Blue brand, which is different. I don't own anything from this brand. Okay, so this is a black sweater, size 2X. I love this, like this is the back. The lacy back, oh dog, nope, that's my hair. This like lacy back detail. It's not a very thick sweater at all. It does have like a little braided detail down the arm, if you can tell. The only thing about these and all of these items from Skies Are Blue is they're a little bit short. Like this sweater is so cute and fits so well, but it's short. And these items aren't cropped. So it was just, for me, I guess maybe I'm just a little bit taller than what they assume when they make these, but it's just a little bit short. So let me know what y'all think about this. Oh, it says it's navy. Maybe it is. Plus size V-neck black lace-up sweater in navy, $42. Okay, maybe it is navy. Next thing is this gray sweater with this like weird lacy overlay on the front. I liked the idea of this when I saw the picture of this that was shipping, but it actually like separates and it's very weird. Like I can stick my whole arm up the lace. You would think they would just put like a lace detail on the actual heather gray sweater, but they put like this whole sheet. So it's a little bit different. I mean, it doesn't fit anyway, so it's not like I'm going to keep it. This one is in a size 2X. If it were oversized, it might be cute with some leggings or something, but I think it's just a little too snug, and it's not really my style either. All right, so this is the plus size lace overlay sweater in a size 2X, and it's $44. Now let's get into a cardigan, same brand, Skies Are Blue, size 2X. Look at this pretty like green teal. I don't know how to describe it because it's not just teal, but it's not just green. It's like a blue-green teal. It does have like a little bit of a like flare type sleeve. This was tied in a pretty bow, but I guess it came out. I like the idea of it. It's not thick at all, so it's not, I mean, it's not thin, but it's not super thick. So it's not going to like keep you warm outside or anything like that. I wish it were a little more oversized. This one is in a size 2X. I don't hate it. I like the length. It's long enough. And I do like the sleeves. They're just a little different. But I wish that it were just a little more oversized and then I could wear it more as a cardigan versus like, I feel like the way that this fits me and the way that it looks is like one of those that you just wear like over your button-up shirt to work, like your business like cardigan. It's not meant to be like a fashionable, like, I don't know. Do you know what I'm saying? Like it's more like a business wear into the office kind of cardigan versus like a cool weather cardigan. Does that make sense? Okay, let's see. This one is the plus size ruffle long sleeve teal, they call it, and it's $44. And the last thing in my box might be my favorite. Skies Are Blue, same brand, size 2X. It's this like beautiful red, like flowy top. Look at that. How cute. It almost looks like it's a little pink, but I think it's just the different fabric and different style that's making it look a little bit lighter. How fun is this, right? This fits the same, a little bit short, but it fits really well. Like it's not snug or anything like that. And I love this little detail. I think this is just such a fun, just like a fun shirt. You could wear this with like black jeans and black boots and you're just like ready to party. Like take me somewhere and let me dance. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is probably my favorite. It is $38. All right, so my total for everything in the box is $257, which is not bad. Fashom does it. If you keep 3 items or more, you get 25% off. So if I kept everything, my total would be $192.75, which is a great deal. However, I think I'm only going to keep that red top. I really like it. I get these kind of boxes to kind of get out of my comfort zone and get things and pick things to keep that I wouldn't normally keep. So I think the red top is what I'm going to keep. I like that black sweater, or the navy, I guess, that navy like lacy sweater, but I don't know if it's too short. So let me know in the comment section down below what you think. And don't forget, I'll leave that referral link in the description box. You can get your first couple styles for free plus this $20 credit in support of breast cancer awareness. So I think you should definitely cash in and get those deals. Also, I know I mention this every time, but they send you this like little pre-done like return slip like with most boxes. So that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. I just blow dried and straightened my hair, so don't mind that. If you're wondering what my shirt looks like, look how cute. Saturday down south. Like football. So cute.